Ban glyphosate in all of America.
Glyphosate is the active chemical in Roundup. Glyphosate is a herbicide found commonly in bread due to its use on crops like wheat, oats, and corn. Recent testing has shown that many popular bread brands contain detectable levels of glyphosate, raising concerns about its impact on gut health and overall well-being. Glyphosate is a widely used herbicide that can contaminate soil and harm ecosystems. Efforts to ban glyphosate, like those in Quebec, have shown that alternative methods can effectively manage forest regrowth without the use of harmful chemicals. Dupree Gainey was diagnosed with cancer linked to glyphosate exposure. Glyphosate is a widely used herbicide that has been associated with various health risks, including certain types of cancer. April 22, 2021. Dupree Gainey said, "It gave me 3 different cancers at one time. It's sad when our own government wants us to die." Glyphosate can bind tightly to soil particles, which reduces its mobility and potential toxicity. However, it can persist in the soil for up to 6 months, depending on environmental conditions. Scientific observations and current researches suggest that glyphosate does move through soil, causing contamination and affecting non-target plants. Herbicides can end up in off-site locations, damaging or killing non-target plants when they are carried by spray drift through the air, or water runoff over the soil surface, or by leaching through the soil into groundwater. You can be exposed to glyphosate if you get it on your skin, in your eyes, or breathe it in when you are using it. You might swallow some glyphosate if you eat or smoke after applying it without washing your hands first. You may also be exposed if you touch plants that are still wet with spray. Glyphosate isn't likely to vaporize after it is sprayed. Any amount of glyphosate is accumulative over time in the human body through various exposure routes, including ingestion of contaminated food and water, and has been detected in urine samples of both farming and non-farming families. Glyphosate use in farming has drastically increased by 1,000% since 1990. Glyphosate can be found in 8 of 13 playgrounds. Look for foods labeled with the glyphosate residue-free logo. The Soil Association has also launched its Cut the Chemicals campaign alongside a petition calling for urgent support for farmers to ensure their businesses can continue to thrive while changing practices alongside research into alternatives. President Donald Trump ensures an adequate supply of elemental phosphorus and glyphosate-based herbicides for national security. President Donald Trump invoked the Defense Production Act to promote the production of phosphorus and glyphosate, a commonly used herbicide.
Please stop. Please stop.
President Trump is acting to ensure domestic production of elemental phosphorus and glyphosate-based herbicides, the loss of which would cripple critical supply chains. Glyphosate is banned or restricted in approximately 30 countries. America should have been included.
I cannot.